Hi everyone, so another option your group has presentation-wise for your author study is a Google Drawing. Now I'm sure the first thing your group is thinking is a Google Drawing. How am I presenting material on my author with a drawing? The way you would use Google Drawing is you would create an instructional interactive image. So if you remember in our citing sources page, you had an instructional image that looked like a notebook page. That was an interactive image. You went through each of the numbers, you clicked on all the icons, you completed all the activities. That's an interactive image. You're interacting with the image itself on the screen, all the while learning something new or reviewing something you already knew. So the way you would use this Google Drawing is by maybe making activities for us about your author, different topics that you would like us to know about your author. Remember the inspiration and why they choose to write the way they write. That is the main driving question your group has to answer. But of course, you can have many other topics that you have learned about your author. So it's truly up to you and your group on how you want to create this interactive image, but I'm going to use this time to show you how to use it. So let's title it first, and let's do Screencast for Google Drawing. Oh, okay, there we go. So the way this works, you can insert a lot of things. You can insert an image, you can upload it from the computer, you can search the web, your Google Drive, your photos on your computer, you can search by a web link, and also you can take a picture right then and there. Now, the one thing I will tell you, when you use an image, make sure it is either free of copyright, which there are some websites that I have shown you in class that are free of copyright. And there are also copyright laws. So if you use a picture that is not free, just remember you have to cite it. So what you would do is create a works cited page, and you could even go back to our citing sources interactive image and use that citation maker to cite all your sources, and then copy and paste all that in a Google Doc. And then at the bottom of your interactive image, just pop that link in there, label it works cited, and you're covered. Okay, so that's image. You are able to insert a text box. Okay, text box, and you can type away. You can insert a shape. Okay, so let's do an arrow. You can insert different shapes. You can even change the background of that shape, fill in the color. You can insert a table. You can choose how many boxes you want. All right, you can insert a chart, whether it's bar, column, line, pie, a diagram, word art, a line. So then you can even format. So this is very similar to Word. If you like using Word, you can do all the same things on Word, and you can do them here as well. The benefit of Google Drawing, just like Google Slides, is that you can share it. So you can put the person's name, their email address, you hit done. Like I said, it gets sent to their Gmail and they can open it. Just remember, you have to put on can edit so that all of your group members can edit the material on this interactive image. And this also allows you, if you're outside of class and your group decides you want to work at home, you can get on this at home. It's really simple. It's an online activity. So you hit done. Now, once you've completed your interactive image, then let me show you how you insert a link. So say I have an image here, let's use the arrow, and let's say I want to connect that with, oh, I don't know, my favorite author's favorite restaurants. Okay, so what you would do is click on the image, insert link. Here's where you will paste your link. to whatever site you found that you want us to go to and you want us to see. Now, I will tell you, an interactive image isn't just going to a bunch of websites and reading stuff. An interactive image involves us actually in an activity. So while you can have resources like videos and resources like information about the author, you also have to include activities for us. So maybe that is a quick little game, a scavenger hunt, fill out questions on a Google form, or complete a Google Doc with questions or an activity. So it's okay to have videos, it's okay to have websites with information, but then just remember, you have to have interactive stuff as well, that we actually have to not just interact with videos and websites, but we want to do things too. We want to be involved in learning about your author. So that is how you create a Google drawing for your particular presentation. If this is what you would like to do with your group, then feel free and enjoy.